How to log in Bank of America app on iPad. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can log into the Bank of America app on your iPad, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to log into the Bank of America app on your iPad, go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Bank of America application that you can find here. And once you launch the Bank of America app, you're going to be able to see this type of interface. Now from here on, what you need to do is, if you have not yet signed up for online or mobile banking, you can tap the get started option there, or you can just tap on the login option that you would be able to find over here. Once you tap on login, in order to log into your BoFA account, all you have to do is make sure to go ahead and then enter your username, and then after that you can also make sure to enter your password. If you want to save your user ID, you can check that option there. If you want to set up a touch ID and log in with your fingerprint on the home tab, then you can do touch ID as well. Otherwise you can just tap the login option in order to successfully log in to your Bank of America mobile or online banking. This way you will be able to log in to the BoFA banking account. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.